In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trades between Ctrader accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a strategy you like, review its details, and start copying it with the right investment settings so it aligns with your risk and goals. First, open your Ctrader platform and look to the left sidebar. Click on Copy. This takes you to the copy trading area, where you can view strategies offered by different providers. Think of this space as a marketplace of trading approaches you can follow automatically. Your account will execute the same trades as the strategy, but scale to the amount you choose to invest. Next, browse the available strategies. Take your time here. You'll see performance metrics such as return, drawdown, and how long the strategy has been running. Longer track records and smoother equity curves can provide more context than short bursts of performance. Also review fee structures, as providers may charge a performance fee, a management fee, a volume fee, or a combination. Make sure any fee arrangement makes sense to you given the strategy's history and style. When a strategy catches your eye, click it to inspect it in depth. On the strategy page, review the equity curve, maximum drawdown, average trade duration, and the instruments traded. Check how the strategy behaves in different market conditions and whether it holds positions overnight or over weekends. Read the description to understand the approach and risk profile and confirm there are no restrictions that conflict with your setup. It's also helpful to note the minimum investment, the provider's update cadence, and any comments on slippage or execution. If everything looks good, click Start Copying. This opens the setup dialog where you'll prepare your allocation. Here's where you set the investment amount. Choose an amount that fits your overall plan and leaves room for margin and potential fluctuations. Remember, Ctrader typically copies positions proportionally based on what you allocate, so a smaller allocation generally means smaller trade sizes. If available, consider setting optional protections like an equity stop level to cap downside, and double-check the leverage and any scaling settings shown so they reflect your preferences. Once you're comfortable with the settings, confirm. You may need to accept terms before finalizing. After confirmation, the strategy will appear in your copy section, and new trades from the provider will begin mirroring into your account according to your allocation. Keep an eye on performance and ensure it continues to match your expectations and risk tolerance. And that's it. You've successfully set up trade copying between Ctrader accounts.